Good morning, everyone. I'm Kyle Petrus, and you're watching Twitching for Walleye. We're down in the Grand River today, going for some walleyes. And yes, we're gonna see if we can slaunch these guys, because the last time we were out here, we got one each, Terry and I. I'm going solo today. So let's see if we can smash these. Get back to you in a bit. Good morning, everybody. Twitching for Walleye coming at you. And we are on the hunt for some Walters. I'm actually in a town in Jighead. These are those moon eye jigs with a rattle in them. I don't know if you can hear that, but they are just nasty. They've caught me a lot of fish. Let's just start this morning with a nice walleye. That'd be perfect. A nice wally holly. That's all I asked for. Maybe 16-incher, 17-incher, 25-incher. No, okay, it's getting greedy. We'll start off with the white. Let's see if we can kill him on the white. If we can't, then we'll definitely switch out. And there is a deer across from me. There's about two or three deer across from me. And I'm pretty sure they know you can't hunt here. We're gonna walk out just a little bit. I don't want to scare too many fish. I'm just gonna pop our heads out here. Just a little bit more. I like to be about knee deep here in these areas. And then take our nice curly tail jig and our moon eye jig heads with the rattly eyes. And we're just gonna pop it back. And if there's any fish in here, then they will hit. But if not, we'll go somewhere else. That was definitely a log, or a big weed bed, or stone rock, whatever you call it. There. Yep, again on that. Oh, fuck. Okay. One thing I have to say to 13 fishing. Guys down at 13 fishing, do me a favor. Stop putting the guide keep or the hook keeps on top, because your line always gets caught in them. Put them on the bottom like everybody else. Yeah. These little suckers are jumping. No weeds though. Chuck it way down there and wait. Little turtle. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got a fish. I got one. Fish on. And this kind of feels like a pike. This might be a pike or a nice walleye. Not a bass. Oh yeah. First walleye of the day. I didn't bring my net out. Well, I did, but it's over. Oh, gotcha. Nice. Beauty. Beauty fish. Let's just put her right behind us. In the water. Oh, yeah. She like to flop around. Okay. Nice. That's a pretty good size. Hook just fell right out. Not a bad sized walleye. Sorry, not a bad sized walleye. Let's get him back in. Here's the release. Nope. Fish is in good health. There you go. One for the books. Not a bad size either. That'd be 100% eater size, but not taking any home today. Let's just recreate what we just did. Toss this back out. So we go a bit further out. And it's a turtle right in front of me. Hey, buddy. So, okay, didn't get the tail. And today I'm using a 13 fishing Creed. I believe this is a 6.2 to 1 ratio. It paired up with 6-pound line with a Fate Chrome Series 13 fishing rod. Hope you can see this with a fast tip, so I can feel those subtle bites. And that's my rod, reel, and line setup. And if you wanted to know. So, that fish was just hanging on. He was swimming with it, I think, for a little bit. Then I got him with the hook. He did not want to let that jig go. He wanted that jig bad. So what I'm doing is I'm standing in the current about knee high. No, just past my knees, sorry. So, but yeah, knee high. And I'm casting on like, I'd say about a 45-degree angle from myself. And kind of swimming it back into the middle. That's what I've always done. So I throw it out that way. And then when I reel it back in, give it a couple pops. I never just straight retrieve it. I always give it a couple twitches or jerks or something to get their attention. I don't know, with walleye, they just love it. When you twitch that bait in front of them, they don't like it when it's just sitting still. I know a lot of people say, oh, Kyle, you just use white. And why don't you try another color? Well, white always works. I'll put it that way. White always works. And I've never had a problem with white. I have used a lot of other colors, and to be honest, like I said, I am colorblind, so it's hard for me to distinguish. But I'm really glad they put it on the packs. So, any ideas off everybody watching this video? If you want to tell me what color I should use or throw out there, would be greatly appreciated. Excuse me. Oh, that was definitely a fish kind of giving her a taste. See, that's what I mean. You need a rod with a fast tip so you can actually feel those subtle bites. And what I have learned, if you catch one walleye in one spot, there's usually another. like that. Oh, this is, if this is a fish, this is a big walleye or a big bass. Please don't be a pike. Oh, where are you? Holy. I think it might be a bass. Big, oh, no, another walleye. Yes. See what I told you? There you go. Keep you in the water. Today has turned out to be a great day on the Grand. Just, oh, ouch, Jesus. Okay. Oh, come on, buddy. You're so tiny. Why give me attitude? Put that fin down so I can grab you. Right in the snout. I got him. Pop that hook out. Can you please just... Thank you. Beautiful fish. If you just put his pectoral fin up, or his dorsal. Yep. Beauty fish. Let's let him go. There he goes. Healthy back down there. Man, they're just smashing these jigs. Well, that's two so far. As soon as I hit the water, he hammered it. Oh yeah. I was a good fighter too, and people say, oh, they come in like wet socks. No, they don't, not to me. I thought he was bigger, because he was just putting up a good fight. And if you guys can do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications if you like this kind of content. I would love to get myself to 100 subscribers by the end of the month, or even more. And I hate asking for subscribers. I don't like it. But I guess it's a call to action. The walleye bite just died right down. A couple more cats here, and then we'll probably just leave this spot alone because you've seen this lure run through here about probably about 24 times, so 24 times. So I left this spot and I went down the Grand, downriver, and was looking at different spots. The river level was a bit low, so I returned to the spot I previously fished, but the exploration is the best part. You can't, if you don't explore spots, you won't find them. Now that is a nice breeze. So, we're back to the place where we started. Let's see if we can get any of these fish to come in. Oh yeah, that feels like a bass. Nope, that feels like a nice walleye. Yeah, and it is. Oh yeah, that is a beauty. Come on, come on. Okay. Walk my fish on. Oh, what a save. Okay. All right, still here. All right, guy. You're not cooperating. Okay, bye. Alright. Wow. That's some good fish handling skills right there. Not. Thanks everybody for coming on this trip with me today. It has been a blast. And we caught 3 walleye today. So I have to say that is success. We didn't get skunked. So until next time, Thai Lines guys, like, subscribe if you like this sort of content, and I'll see you out on the water.